Hello and welcome to the lesson where I will present the practical use of the Sumif function. On the occasion we will learn how to use two other interesting functions. First of them is RANDBETWEEN. In this case, I assumed that the lowest salary would be 2,500 and the highest 8,000. By double-clicking the square in the lower right corner of the cell, we automatically drag the formula to the last adjacent cell. Now let's create an additional table in which we will calculate the sums for individual departments. This is where the unique function will come in handy. Now it's time for the Sumif function. This formula also contains optional argument, but in this case we will use it. First argument is the range of cells that we will be testing for the specified condition. In the second argument, we select the area that will be the criterion for the first argument, and in the third, we specify the numbers that the function will sum up. You must remember to block cells with a $sign. This is how we worked out the total by department. Thank you for watching and see you next time.